and my sisters, I do this on a beautiful sister, Laminatou Sanko, the one and only. The original, no duplicate. Any other Laminatou, na a carbon copy. My brothers and my sisters, them, I want to save them 2 dates. June 14, Oscars inauguration nights. June 14 at the Hampton Conference Center. Free. Free food, free drinks. Yes. Dress to impress. The man them coat and tie suits no one the way. The woman them long evening wear. No short dress allowed. Long evening wear. No begin say, oh, me close the train too long. No, honey. Wear am. Wear am. Because guess what? It's gonna be a sit-down dinner. All to the occasions. Sit-down dinner. Inauguration night, when a June 14, Oscar night, when a October 5th, now sit down dinner. You not get for go take food. You just you know your food come meet you. You me brother where they look at me. If you go say you not go with woman, just make so. Woman they can at the table. You me sister where they look at me. If you go say you not go with man, just make so. Man they can at the table. Anything what una want, then two nets then they meet you now the table. Boku talking all the you. Yanda na enjoyment no more. The girl where they cook. It's a big cook like not for nothing. It's a big cook Italian so where it be there inside belly. Now inside they be don't practice how for cook. Now so it's a big cook. In fried rice, jollof rice, baked fish, salmon, in salad. So my sisters say, and my brothers say, when I save them 2 dates then, yeah. June 14, Oscars inauguration nights. Now free. But guess what? There's a little catch to it. Strictly by invitations. Make sure say you get your invitation before you go. No go there if you not get invitation. If you not get invitation, call Laminatou Sanko. If I get, I will give you. But at the beguna in the name of God. And no woman anybody go there where you not get invitation. You not go don't find you don't dress like salad, then you go there not make you enter. You not go nice. So if you not get invitation, no bother. For go. And if you get invitation again, dress to impress because then they check for the dress. The woman they not allow short dress. Long evening wear. The man them coat and tie. Suits. Well, everybody want the part of this history. If you want the part of this history, because this is going down in Guinness Book of Record, make sure say you get your invitation. Make sure say you dress to kill. Yanda pikin they know they did you. No kids allowed. So yanda na enjoyment no more. The MC say it don't ready for give we fun. Now we laugh say we ribs and crack. The DJ say it not ready for play. In a way that the next day we not able for go walk. So yanda boku talk no ready. Enjoyment bet nendedi. And again, October the 5th, Oscar night. That one day we dey sell tickets. At the beguna, my sisters and my brothers say. I want to buy tickets. We no want for Mr. particular events day. We no want for day. Because we no want the part of that history day. The Oscar night. You know, Hollywood, they feel say, now they no more sabi do Oscar nights. So now make we serve the Oscar Club. We serve don't decide for bring Oscar night come na Metropolitan DMV. When I not say now American Idol, it is saloon. So Oscar Club, we serve don't decide for bring Oscar night come na DMV Metropolitan area. So when I come out and show some love, when I come out and show some support, when I can be part of this history, because guess what? It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be Oscar-liciously beautiful, Oscar-liciously elegant, Oscar-liciously fabulous. When I want a part of this history. Inauguration night. Oscars inauguration night, June 14. Na free. Food na free. Drinks na free. The cup, the spoon, the fork, and the knife, all way they eat with, all na free. Even the table where they sit down, the chair, all things are free of charge. All you need for do, just dress beautiful. Ready to kill. Yes, looking flashy, looking elegant. For come. Classy and not trashy. Inauguration night. Oscars inauguration night. June 14. Una save the dates. June 14 at the Hampton Conference Center. Na free. Hey, the food na free. The drinks na free. Everything na free. The food them, as you they eat and they can clear the table. When they sit down looking beautiful, looking pretty. Yes. Oscar nights. October the 5th. Me I no doubt me brothers. Me brothers they get a wicked blazer. They get a wicked blazer, yeah. Then don't ready for put them together. Then don't ready. That I know for sure. And my sisters them again. Then get beautiful long evening wear. I don't get one doubt party. Me pikin then get nice long beautiful evening wear. Le kwa me pikin. My binti say so what's getting is when my binti go for my 50th birthday. When I see my binti, I say, yes, this is how we do it. My binti tinap na ya in trail long terry chianda. So my binti, get yourself ready. I want to see you as usual. Me, I no doubt you, I no get one doubt over you. I know say you go represent well. My binti in close, when it's tinap na ya. My binti say, so go train in this, when it's tinap na ya, in trail, a rich don yanda. Yes. Me brother-in-law again. Ibrahim Dean. Senior Dean. That next day. For me 50th birthday, if you see them suit, them way they wear, them coats, them way they wear. Beautiful. Them blazer. Some guy they represents. Me God picking again. Ibrahim Tarawali. Titi Tarawali, man. If you see Ibrahim in suits. Yes. John Bla, me brother. If you see John Bla in suits. If you see in shoes. Alusain again. If you see Alusain in suits. If you see in shoes. Abib. Bundu. Me brother. Where I love so much. If you not see in suits. If you not see in shoes. Alpha si say me other brother. If you not see in safe. Amaka. You no good for talk. Uncle Modi. If you not see what's in under them well. Usman Kaloko. You know, Abu Bolia, me brother. If you not sweating away. Ishmael Libo, me brother. If you not see when them me brothers they are wearing dress. So this particular night again, I know say them go represent. Yes, I know say them go represent nicely. When I dress to kill, dress to impress me brothers and my sisters. It's gonna be beautiful. June 14 inauguration night, Oscars inauguration night at the Hampton Conference Center. October the 5th, Oscar night, dress to kill. When I feel free for share this video.